Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to do a video about Tinkercad circuits OR gate. Quad OR gate. Let us start the video. Now in this video we are going to discuss about OR gate. In the previous video we discussed about AND gate. Logic gates. OR gate. OR gate is another basic logic gate like AND gate. It has two input and one output. The operation of gate is such that output of gate is binary 1. If any one of the input is binary low, and we will receive logic 0 only when both the inputs are low. Truth table of OR gate are as follows. Number of states possible are equal to 4. Now this is an truth table. In an OR gate the truth table looks like this. Now there are 4 stages, as number of stages are 4 stages as possible. Now this is stage 1, 2, 3 and 4. Those are the stages. Input A, B, output Y equal to A plus B. Now if in this case 0 and 0, if we turn on it to, if it is 0 and 0, both are 0, then it will not work. The light bulb will not work. 0 means off. If it is both are off, it will not work. And 1 is off, other one is on, it will work. 1 is on and other one is off, it will work. 1 is on and other one is on, it will work. It is like that. 1 means on, 0 means off. That is the truth table. This is the logic OR gate. 2 inputs A, B and 1 output C. C is known as output. Now let us go into Tinkercad and do the project. I am going to explain about this, then I am going to do it. Now here it is known as OR logic gate. I have something changed there. This is like the previous video, but the battery is changed. I have changed it to battery, and I have changed here motor, here is resistor, and this is OR gate. Now there are many gates. If you attach any gates, if you attach AND gate, and then AND gate, OR gate, NOR gate, like that, all gates will be the same program. Now I'm going to explain. The first step is the battery's negative is connected to the breadboard's minus, and the battery's positive is connected to the breadboard's plus top, and from the minus it will be connected to here minus. Now the top portion of the breadboard will be connected to the bottom portion of the breadboard minus, like this, and from the top portion of the breadboard's plus from here, from plus top portion of the breadboard will be connected to the bottom portion of the breadboard's plus. That is the first step. The first step is about the battery. Second step is about the IC. This is the IC, integrated circuit. Now in this integrated circuit we will connect the power. Anywhere you can connect. This is power From the power I connect to the top layer of the breadboard plus, and from the ground anywhere from the ground of the IC I connect to the breadboard's bottom portion minus. That is the second step. The third step is the switch. About the switch. Now the switch 2B is connected to the top portion of the breadboard's plus, and the switch 1B is connected to the top portion of the breadboard's plus, and then the switches from bottom layer 1A is connected to the from anywhere, and it is connected to the IC integrated circuits input 1A, and from 2A of the switch bottom layer is connected to the integrated circuits input B. That is the third step. The fourth step is about the motor. Here it's motor. Now the motor's terminal 1 or 2 will be connected to the breadboard's bottom layer minus, and the motor's terminal 2 will be connected to the resistor's terminal 1, and from the terminal 2 of the resistor it will be connected to the IC integrated circuits output 1 anywhere. Now in the resistor I click, and then I change ohms and change the ohms and 300 ohms. It is 300 ohms for the resistor. I changed it. This is the project, and I am going to do this project without seeing. Let me just delete. First component, breadboard. Small. Second component, battery. And I change to 4. Now I will get the IC. To get the IC, I scroll very down. Quad OR gate. Now I get switch. This type of switch. Make sure that it is connected. Next, which we are going to need is DC motor, and resistor. 6 components are ready. Now let us do the project. Step 1. Battery is negative, connected to the breadboard's top portion minus, and the battery is positive, connected to the breadboard's top portion plus. change the color red, and now connect from plus anywhere to the bottom layer of the breadboards plus, and from the top layer of the breadboard connect to the bottom layer of the breadboard minus. Change the color black. That is the first step. The second step is about the IC. IC's power anywhere connected to plus, and IC's ground connected to minus. Ground is always minus, and plus, it is plus, so I have to change it red. Then terminal, then that is second step. Third step about the switch. Now connect switch 1B anywhere to plus, and 1A, 2B connect to plus. Top portion of the switch. And it has to be red because plus is red. And here, and now the switches 1A is connected to the IC's input A, and the switches 2A is connected to the IC's input B, and I change the color pink, blue. That is the third step. The fourth step is connect the motor's terminal 2 to the resistor's terminal 1, and connect the motor's terminal 1 to plus, and output anywhere. Now let us test it. It is not working because I have made a mistake. Now I forgot to change color. Now 1 on and 1 off. It will work. 1 and the other one on and the other one off. It will work. And both off, it will not work. Both on, it will work. Fifth step is to check the truth table, and the truth table is definitely correct. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Bye. See you guys in the next video.